Hi, this is Ashish Pant, Director Sales and Marketing for the Everest Hotel Kathmandu. So I am in this hospitality sector from last 15 years, work in various hotels. Currently in Nepalese hospitality, we are facing challenge in terms of good manpower. Young people are going out for the job and for a lot of other things. So there is a shortage of manpower in Nepalese hospitality industry. So we are looking for some of the good colleges which can provide us nice numbers of upcoming hoteliers. So in terms of that, we have found a Quest College as our partner, so which they are providing us a nice number of people, very professional, very humble, and they know the norms of hospitality. And at the end, I'll say, in Nepalese hospitality, the Quest is a different level of institute which can produce upcoming hoteliers.